Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's gonna be a video for all the new riders out there, especially anyone who hasn't ridden an e-bike before. So this is gonna be a very basic tutorial on how to use the e-bike. So first thing first, how to turn on the e-bikes. Over here, you're gonna have a battery. So in order to turn on the bike, you have to turn on the battery first. So on the battery, there's gonna be a button right here. You guys gonna press that, okay? From the display, you guys gonna have a button right here in order to turn on. So you guys can just long press the middle button, the power button, okay? So it's gonna turn on the display. So by now, we already turned on the bike. There are many parameters on the display. I'm gonna walk through everything with you guys here. So firstly is the energy par. It's gonna show you guys how much battery you guys have left on the bike. Total of 10 parts right here. So it's equal to 100% of the battery. For example, if it's go to this bar right here, it means that the bike has 90% battery left. Moving on to the second parameter is the speed. So it's gonna show you guys the velocity when you guys ride the bike over here. I'm gonna show you guys in kilometers. Okay, moving on to the pass symbol right here. This is where it's control your speed. It's gonna control the speed of the throttle and as well as the speed of the pedal assist gonna be using. So one gonna be the lowest at one. When I press the throttle all the way down, the max speed it can go is only 17.5. That's the last button here. Okay, the speed gonna increase to 25 kilometers per hour. And number 3 is gonna be 32.8. Number 4 gonna be 40.8. And number 5 gonna be the maximum speed. It's 50 kilometers per hour. So I already removed the speed limit on this bike, so that's why it can reach 50 kilometers per hour. The parameter here, this is the audio, is the total mileage that you guys have traveled the bike so far. To view other information on the bike, you guys gonna simply press the middle button right here. It's gonna show you the total kilometers in the single trip. Okay, and then press again, it's gonna show you guys the voltage. Okay, and moving on to the current, and this is the time here, and go back to the audio over here. So you guys gonna have the button for the light on and off. So it's for the front light. So when you guys turn it on, it's gonna turn on the front light and also turn on the rear light as well. And here is the signal light, left, right, and this is your horn right here. Moving on to the braking system. So here's your brake lever. Whenever I ride a bike, so for my safety, I always put my hand like this. So this is where I control the throttle. And also I'm gonna put out my 2 finger over here and leave it there. So in case of emergency, I can always hit the brake right away. So it's gonna be safer for you guys. So when you hit the brake, right, like this, it's gonna show you guys on the display this symbol right here. This means brake is on, right? It's called the brake sensor. So when this is on, right, there's no way you guys can use the throttle. It's gonna cut off all the electrical system, so the bike not going anymore. So it's like a safety feature on this bike. So to use this bike, there's gonna be 2 options for you guys. So the first option is the throttle. You guys can use the throttle only. So just simply twist the throttle like this. This is the half twist throttle. Okay. And the second way to ride this bike is to use the pedal assist. So the pedal assist means when you guys pedal the bike like this, just a little bit, right? The electric gonna kick into the motor right here to help you guys pedal easier. So that's called the pedal assist. The way it works is inside over here there's gonna be a pedal assist sensor. So it's gonna detect the movement of the pedal. So whenever you guys pedal it, the electric gonna kick into the motor to help you guys pedal easier. Pedal assist is the best way for you guys to extend your battery range. Gonna save a lot of energy on the battery compared to when you guys using the throttle only. When you guys using the pedal assist, it's very important to know how to use the shifter over here. So on this bike, it's equipped with a Shimano 7-speed system. So the way it's worked is when you guys first start the bike, like zero start the bike, you guys should lift this gear into the number 1 speed. So at number 1 speed, you guys can see the chain is all the way up into this teeth of the sprocket right here. While you guys ride the bike, you guys can increase this gear right here. So it's gonna give you guys more power when you guys pedal. You guys gonna use this according to the speed that you guys are gonna be operating the bike on. Okay, when you master how to use this gear right here, it's gonna also save you guys a lot of energy that you guys pull out from the battery. So keep in mind that this gear system right here is a mechanical part of the bike. It's not related to any of those electrical system. So it's gonna be similar to the regular bike that you guys usually use, the normal bike. It also have a walk mode. So in order to kick into that mode, you guys just simply press this down button. Okay, it's gonna kick you guys into walk mode, and the bike is only travel 5 kilometers per hour. So this is gonna be very helpful when you guys want to walk the bike with you. Moving on to the battery. So you guys gonna be provided with 2 key fobs right here, and also 2 keys to remove the battery. As I always do, I keep 1 key and 1 key fob at home. So and only carry 1 key and 1 key fob with me when I'm riding the bike. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the battery over here. Before remove the battery, you guys always want to turn off the battery. Insert the key here, just put it in, all right, and then counterclockwise. Then you guys can just simply lift up the battery like this, okay, and then take it out. That's how you guys remove the battery. Okay, to boot back the battery, so you guys gonna see here, there's some slot right here. You guys want it to match on the battery holder over here before put it all the way down. Okay, so what I'll do here is put the battery like this. You guys see the slot here. Okay, just rest it in. See, 2 slots here and here. It's in like this, and then when it's in, you guys just push it down like that, and then you guys can lock the battery into place. So double check if this is locked by lifting it up, okay, to make sure it's not going anywhere. Show you guys how to properly and safely charge the e-bike battery, especially the Dalat V1 battery right here. Okay, so first thing first is you guys want to make sure this off right now. So all mean off. You can also check here, long press that, and if the light not showing up, it means that the battery is turned off. Okay, so over here is the charger port. You guys can just twist that out. Okay, and I have the charger here with me. You guys charging the battery here, you guys want to make sure the battery in a very dry place and avoid any moisture. So to charge it, you guys gonna plug, always remember, plug the charger into the charger port first, and then over here you guys can plug into the socket here. Okay, so as you can see, the light over here, this is indicating red color, so it means that the battery is still charging and it's not fully charged yet. And when the light here is switched into the green color, it means that the charging process is finished, and you guys can unplug the charger port, okay, the charger, and always remember to close this cap over here to avoid the rent. One thing I want to mention about is you can always charge the battery on the bike or off the bike. It's depending on what you like. Although this charger is a smart charger, whenever it's full, it's gonna not letting the electricity come into the battery anymore. You guys always have to remove the battery when it is fully charged. So it's the best practice to keep the battery last longer and also safer for you guys. Okay guys, so that's how you guys charge the battery safely and properly. Moving on to the key fob. So I already made a video on showing you guys how to use this key fob. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. Like I say, this is gonna be a very basic tutorial video on how to use your e-bike, especially for the first time buyer and all the beginners out there. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one guys.